everyone, my name is Liang Yuanyuan, your professional Chinese teacher. I'm very happy to have you here. So today our course is about money. 钱 So there's an old saying goes, 钱不是万能的，没有钱是万万不能的。Which means money cannot do anything, but you cannot live without money. Money is so important in our life. It can make our life more convenient. So our goal today is to learn Chinese expression about money. Let's start. So first of all, what we should do is to learn this character, which means money. 钱 take care of the second tone. 钱 is rising. 钱. Okay, and to look at this character, this part literally means something related to metal. And this one give it the phonetic meaning, which provide the pronunciation of it. So, okay, we just went to the next part. 钱 we have learned it, money. And Chinese yuan, we call it 人民币. 人民币. 币 means currency, coin, anyway, money. 人民币. Yuan. 块. These two are the same, but yuan is more official. If you're in the business conversation, in a more official way, you should use this one. But 块 is used in daily life. When you're buying stuff, you can say 块. And for 10 cents is 角. Take care of the third tone. First falling, then rising. 角. And 毛. These two are the same. There's no big difference. You can use it in any occasion. And 分 for cent. 分, we learn it in number lesson. 分. And then this is 1 yuan. It's 1元. 1元. Remember, this is not 1元because yuan is in second tone. We've learned it. If it's before second tone, our E will become E from the flat tone to fourth tone. 1元 or 1块 is good. 1块, both okay. But when you're buying something in the shop, in the store, you should use 1块. When you are in business occasion, please use 1元. And we have 5元, 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 5块, 5块, 5块. This is 10, 10元, 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 10块, 10块, 10块. This is 20元, 20元, 20元. 20, 20块, 20块, 20块. Then this is 50元, 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 50块, 50块, 50块. This is 100元, 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 100块, 100块. Fourth tone, because this is the third tone, we change it to fourth tone from flat tone. Take care of it. And sometimes we call it 毛爷爷, which means Grandpa Mao, because there's a Chairman Mao on it. This is just a joke. Sometimes we call it. Then this is 一角, 一角, fourth tone. 一角, 一角 or 一毛, 一毛, 一毛. This is 50 cent. 五角, 五角, 五角. But remember, when you read this, you are not saying 五角 because when there's
two third tone become together, the first third tone become lighter. It's like 五角, 五角. We will learn it in law of pronunciation later. 五角, 五角, 五毛, 五毛, 五毛. And this is 一分, 一分, 一分. Not 一分because this is flat tone, it becomes 一. And this is 一元硬币. Okay, we just learned that 币 means currency, money, and 硬 means heart. This part means something related to stone because this is literally just means stone. 十. Okay, just leave it there. And this part means again. Again. Hard money, so it's mean coin. And this is 1元, 一元硬币, 一元硬币. So how much do we have here? This is 一元, 两元, not 二元, 两元, 两元 and 50 cents. 两元五毛. You can say 两块五毛 or 两块五角, both okay. And there's another way, 两块五, 两块五, but don't say 两元五 because 两块五 is a casual way to say it. It's a colloquial way to say it. So the yuan is much more official. If you use it in this way, don't use yuan, use 块. 两块五. So now we have one more cent. What is it? It's 两元五毛一分 or 两块五角一分, 两块五毛一分, both okay. So how much is it? We should say 这个多少钱? 这个多少钱? We just learned this character in number. We have 一个人, right? But why this 个 become 这个 but not 个? Because there's another pronunciation rule that is so complex, we have to discuss it in other courses. So we just focus on this. 这个 means this. 个 means some individual. 多少 多 means a lot. 少 means a few. So 多少 means is it a lot or is it a few? So how many? 钱 means money. 这个多少钱? 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 Okay? Then this is check. We call it 支票. 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 This is the traditional Chinese character. It is kind of hard. It's only used widely in Taiwan, Hong Kong. So we can just leave it alone. Can you read this? Okay. There's character we just learned. 分 and 角 both 0, so we just leave it alone. 元 0, 十 0, 百 0, and this is 258,000. We just learned 10,000 is 1. This is 1. So we have 25万, right? 25万. 1,000 is 1,800. 258000元. 258000元. This is 258000元.
So now it's our time to review the new characters we learned today. 钱, 钱, rising tone, second tone, 前圆圆圆快快快脚 first falling then rising 脚脚毛毛毛分 flat 分分支支支票票票支票支票支票 which means check B B B money 硬硬硬 which means hard 硬币硬币硬币 is coin 硬币 and this is 纸纸 we just learned 一张纸纸 means paper 纸 so 纸币 means note paper money 纸纸币 and 人人人 means people 名名名 means citizen 人民人民人民 people 人民 so this is a new character today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to go through our website, subscribe our channel, and if you have any suggestion about our classes, what you want to learn, just comment below. And don't forget to check the homework today. Goodbye.